The kitchen crop steam canner is perfect for the person who wants to can fruits, pickles, jam, and other high-acid recipes, but doesn't want to spend all day doing it. Using much less water and energy than a water bath canner, the kitchen crop steam canner is a safe way to can high-acid foods like peaches. To begin canning, first fill the water level to the top of the jar rack. The steam canner holds 7-quart or 8-pint jars. Place the lid with the vent hole toward the back of the canner to avoid burns. Turn your heat to the highest setting. Rattling or spitting water indicate the need to turn down the heat. Lower the heat but maintain a rolling boil. Do not remove the lid or you will lose all your steam. Start your processing time when the needle reaches its maximum temperature point. The manual explains how to calibrate and mark your maximum temperature point for your elevation and location. Processing times are the same for steam and water bath canning. When finished, turn off the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes before removing the lid. Always lift the lid away from you to avoid steam burns. Place jars on a towel or cooling rack about 2 inches apart.